Hi, this is John, and today I'm going to show you how to get started developing for the front end on Raxa. The first thing you need to do is set up a GitHub account on github.com. Here we have Raxa user. Next, what you need to do is come to the main repository for the front end, that's Raxa/Raxa-JSS. And here we can see the code on the master branch. You need to fork it to your user account, so come to the upper right and click on fork, and that's going to copy the code into the Raxa user account. Next, what we need to do after it's done is come to NetBeans and bring the code to your local computer. So come to team git clone. The repository URL here is going to be the URL of your user account /Raxa-JSS. So come to HTTP and copy this value and put that here in NetBeans. Your username and your password are your GitHub user and password. Next, come to next. The remote branch we want to use is master. The parent directory, this is wherever you want to download the files. It's going to be about 100 megabytes. Clone name, you can just name your project. Master origin, yes, so everything should come automatically. And when you're ready to start downloading, click finish. Once your NetBeans is done downloading and cloning your Raxa.jss, come to new project, choose Java web application with existing sources. The location will be wherever you downloaded your project to, wherever you cloned it to. So I cloned it to Raxa, and give it a nice project name. It should come automatically. Your project folder should be the same as your location. Your server should be Apache Tomcat. If Tomcat isn't coming here, you want to make sure you've installed NetBeans with Tomcat. Our Java EE version is 5, and set your source level to 1.5. Your web pages folder is going to be src. Web INF content. Here, what you want to do is you want to make a new folder and make sure you call it web-inf and choose that. And when you've got all of this information filled in, come to finish and it will create your project. Once you've set up your new project, we need to configure it to run correctly. So right click on your project, come to properties, and then down here at run, make sure it says display browser on run. And you want to make sure either Chrome or Safari is your default browser, because we need to have WebKit to make our web app work. So right click and let's come to run. So it should be starting up your Tomcat, and then it will bring the website up. And here we go. Right, and when you want to start developing, you're going to want to use these developer tools here. I use Chrome tools, and we can check our console, we can check our network traffic, we can look at elements on the screen down here. So yeah, the developer tools are a good thing to use.